Hello, YouTube. Hope everyone is doing well. This is supposedly a SKIL PWR 20 one-handed reciprocating saw. A 20 volt one-handed reciprocating saw, supposedly. And I say that because there's a backstory with this. Back in August the 14th of 2023, I was in the market for a reciprocating saw, or sawzall. And I was going to get the Milwaukee, and I really should have went that path, but I got cheap, and I saw this SKIL PWR 20 one-handed reciprocating saw on Amazon, just a tool only, for $60. Now that was a great deal. That's $30 less than what it had been running. So I went tick and I ordered it. A few days went by and nothing. Still in the pending. So I contacted support and they said, well, it's not at a distribution center near you, so it might take a while. Okay, fine. Couple more days, nothing. And so I decided to cancel the order. But no, they would not let me cancel the order because it had been, or it was being prepared. So I contacted customer support again, and some Indian guy, they're all Indian people with weird names, but whatever, said, okay, I'll cancel that for you. And here's a gift credit. Okay, so I was like, great. So this is about 2 weeks in, and it isn't canceled. It pops back up. And there's no gift credit. And I'm like, whatever. In the meantime, there's a pending charge of $65 on my credit card. All right. Skip ahead to September 17th. No, September 16th. And I get a notice that a shipping label has been printed. Yay, a shipping label. 1 month later. And it said, this package is going to be delivered tomorrow on the 17th to you. So I waited. And guess what? It didn't get past printing the shipping label. And so they said, well, it'll be on the 20th. Okay, fine. 20th, that's good. And I think that's great. And I closed Amazon down. And on the morning of the 20th, I went, actually no, the 19th, I went back to Amazon to check the tracking. Guess what? Amazon completely wiped my account away. I could not log in. It did not exist. So I couldn't track it. And I had to set up a new account to talk to customer service. And fortunately, I have saved a copy of the order. And I convinced the support to send me a tracking information. And they did. And it was delivered on the 20th. But since my account was wiped out by Amazon and deleted, if there is something wrong with this, or if it's something different, One, I cannot return it because the original account is gone. Two, I can't leave a review because the original account is gone. So we're going to see what's in this. I haven't opened it yet. And we're going to see what took 30 days to get. I'm sorry for the long introduction, but there was a backstory. And so here it is, finally, supposedly. Let's open it. Okay, it's looking good. I see a box. Okay. SKIL PWR 20 brushless dual LED lights. Tool-free blade change. 20 volt brushless. There's the tool. Warranty 5 years. One-inch stroke, 0 to 3000 SPM. All right, so let's open it. It is what they said it was. That makes me happy. 30 days it took me to get this. They didn't want to let go of it at $60. They didn't want to let go of it. Okay, so let's see, here's the plastic. That's the instructions. A blade is included. That's good. Can you see that? That's kind of nice, isn't it? It's got some good weight to it. That moves. You have to press that. Okay, safety. Brushless. Nice. It's actually kind of nice. Not bad for 60 bucks. All right, let's give it a test. We got a battery here. Battery has 4 bars. This is a PWR 24 amp battery. Let's plug that in. All right. The lights came on. Not bad. Press the button. Oh, nice. Nice. Worth the wait, my friends. I wonder how long it will last. Oh wait, I don't have to press the button. Look at that. What is it, a lock? Lock? Okay, it's locked. Okay, that's a lock. It's on the button. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Let's see how slow we can get it. Kind of an incremental speed. So it's not bad though. Okay, so that is the unboxing of the SKIL PWR 20 brushless reciprocating saw. All right. All right, a couple of concluding comments. Amazon. Great sometimes. Frustrating other times. So I don't know why they closed my account. And I think it might have been so I wouldn't be able to leave a review. Who knows? I have no idea. Anyway, stay safe this weekend. Try to think ahead and avoid dangerous situations. Have a good one. Bye-bye.